Yeah, I said you. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Gladys.
Gladys who?
Gladys you. I wasn't sure it was the right bathroom. Oh yeah, that's just some of that plumber toilet humor, you know. My mother always told me I had a knack for fixing things, but I never thought it would come to this. Hey, knock, knock.
Who's there?
I said knock, knock.
Who's there?
Shelby.
Shelby who?
She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. I love that one. That's a funny one. This job can really stink sometimes. Look out, toilet coming through.